What's going on, guys? It's your boy JB. As you can see, it's 9/28, Saturday, February 6th. Hope everybody had a fantastic week. I hope everybody had a great week in the stock market, because it seems like everything's going back to normal, aside from what happened from the GameStop and Robinhood fiasco, which was bananas. But before we get into it, you know how we do it. First things first, I want to give a quick shout out to my boy Carl. He's doing his thing on his channel, Carl's Corner. A lot of good tidbits and information about reading the stock market, a lot of things that I didn't know. So Carl, I'm definitely learning from you, my man, and I'm proud of you recording your journey, as I am and as everybody else is too. You're doing your thing, bro. I salute you, and keep up the great work. And guys, link down below to his channel so you guys can check him out, show him some love like we always do. Make sure you like and subscribe to his channel, just like I did. And I wish you continued success, my man. But right now, let's get into these numbers. As you can see, guys, today I'm at $8,055.83. For the week, I'm up 4.85% on my whole entire portfolio. But again, if you're new to this series, I have some stocks in here that weren't picked out by Chris Sain, or weren't aligned with this portfolio. So that's the reason why I make the chart that we'll be going over here in a second. Nonetheless, we can just kind of scroll through, see what I have. So again, the IIPR, that's a free stock that I got just signing up for this. But all the ones that I have for this channel, or that I have for this series, are on the actual home run portfolio tracker that we're about to go through here in a second. But just want to go through again, guys, so you can see my reds and my greens. A lot more reds than greens, but it's all good. I'm not really tripping about it. I bought some GNOG this week, so you can see the performance that I had this week on it. So 2%, not too bad. You can kind of see how many shares I have, the market value, and my total return. Let's see. And then also when I purchased it, so you guys know I'm not lying. February 1st is when I got it. And also, you guys have been asking about my options. So right now, let's see. My options are Ally, the one that Chris Sain suggested, and also I'm doing one on my own, Dropbox. So DBX 23.5 call option. So right now my total return is 114% on this option play that I picked out on my own. Again, I'm just trying to test out the how to read options or how to do them, and I'm actually really digging it. Again, I might be doing this a lot more than expected, based on what Chris Sain is saying based on what Chris Sain is suggesting that the stocks that might go up. That's kind of how I'm basing my my call options on. And also, too, guys, I'm gonna show you here in a second. I just purchased one of Chris Sain's weekly option plays, so I'll go through that here in a second. But just to show you, but yeah. Total return 114%, $146. Today's return is $91. Pretty crazy. I'm waiting for this thing to go up to about, I want to say, let's see, look at it now, to about 35 to 40. People are saying that it could hit 50, but I'm gonna wait till it hits 35, and then I'll probably just end up selling it then. But yeah, that's where I'm at with Dropbox, and the other one, of course, is Ally. This is the option that Chris Sain had picked out. Obviously, total return right now is I'm down $60. Today's return is $25. This thing expires on the 19th. My Dropbox option expires on the 5th of March, so got some time with that one. Again, if it hits the 35 mark on Dropbox, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of it and take my profits and then reinvest in something else. But again, also too, my buying power is at 605. We'll go through how much money I deposited this week. It's only $500, but I also rolled some money into different places as well. But yeah, again, I'm at 8,056 now. Just went up a little bit at 17 cents for my whole entire portfolio, and we'll dive into just the Chris Sain portfolio right now. All right, guys, so here's the home run portfolio tracker. Again, so what I did was when I sold Carnival, I rolled that money into GNOG, which is like about $1,000. And then also too, I'm gonna start doing this as well. This way you guys can see like how am I getting my money, or where am I getting my money from in order to buy these plays without depositing any cash. So when I sold Fuel Cell, I rolled that into APXT, and then when I sold Carnival, I rolled that into GNOG. And again, my option plays right now are at 24.5. This is what I just showed you on my screen. And then also to go into my portfolio, total current value of the Chris Sain portfolio is 55.1695. Total gains 405, and my percent changes up 7.92%. Again, this doesn't track after hours movement of the market, so it actually, based on what I just showed you guys, it's slightly up higher than this. So again, it only calculates when the market is open, not after hours, but it's all good. And then also too, you guys are saying that you want this tracker. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give you the link to what I downloaded, and then you guys can just alter and change however you see fit. And so it's gonna be called Stock Portfolio Tracker. And please take a note of this. This is locked. This is view only. So this is what you do. All you have to do is go to File, make a copy, and then you just hit OK. You can name it whatever you want. Hit OK, and it's gonna like create a copy. And then as I showed you before in the last video, how you adjust this is go to transactions, and then you would just type in whatever the ticker symbol is, whatever price you bought it at. Let's say it's just $56. Let's say you bought 15 shares. The date really doesn't matter per se. 21.0. And then what happens is it's automatically mapping your ticker symbol to the portfolio section. So as you can see right here, T15 shares is automatically showing you the money invested and how much your gains and losses are based off the market and the numbers that you put in. So really simple and intuitive. And again, all you have to do is just focus on this, and it does all the dirty work behind the scenes. But all you have to do is put in your ticker symbol, and then put in the price you bought it at, and then when you bought how many shares, and then when you bought it. That's it. That's all you have to do. So really simple, easy to do. I suggest you guys can do that, or stick with the tracker that I gave you initially. But I really like this one. So again, link down in the description to grab this this tracker, and you can again add option plays to it. Your option plays, your alerts, which we'll go through here in a second. Your deposits, you can set everything up just the way I did. But yeah, pretty cool, and I'm digging it so far. So with that being said, again, portfolio, you guys can see everything right now where I'm at, and I still need to add the option plays on here for the total current value, and then my alerts. So the ones that are green are the ones that hit home runs already. You gotta see the date where I did my best to try to go backwards and to see when he announced these things. So the 10th of January is when he announced these. Obviously, they will classify as a home run. It would be 100% return. So these definitely have done it. Some of these are on the way up. Tellurium, I can't remember when he announced this. I think it was the 23rd, but it's on the way up. And of course, IDX is on the way up as well. Let's see, deposits for the week. I only deposited $500 this week, so I'm at a total of $1,850 of how much money I've actually put into this thing so far. Again, a lot of you are saying like, how the hell is Chris doing what he's doing in terms of like having to scale up that fast or being able to grow his account that fast. So based on what I've seen so far, again, we'll wait to the end of the journey to really dive deep into it. But what I'm seeing so far, guys, is like, I'm gonna go to transactions. So this will make more sense. So he's basically doing what I'm doing, but just doing it on a bigger scale. So once he's like selling something, he's rolling into another one. But once this thing hits a home run, hits 100%, he's taking all that money and he's putting it, not all of it, but most of it, into like another play. So he's buying more shares he's dumping all this money that he's getting from selling the stock into another stock, and that's hitting the home run. And so it's constantly just doubling. So if you put like $100 into an APXT and it doubles, and then you take that money that you get from 100% return or more, you dump all of that money into another play, you're just buying more shares, and if it keeps doubling, and that's how he's able to accelerate so fast. That's what I'm noticing so far. In the past, I want to say 3 to 4 weeks, it's like how is he accelerating that quick, that fast? Plus he's dumping $500, but while he's selling his stock and putting that money into another one, he's still putting the 500 shares to build out his other plays at the same time. So that's what it looks like that he's doing to me so far. Again, we'll be able to tell at the end of the journey if that's what because I'll be doing that same thing. I'll be trying that strategy throughout this journey. Hey guys, let me show you the options of how to buy the weekly options that Chris Sain gives away. So what you want to do is go to one of his channels or one of his videos, and then what you want to do is scroll down to where you see coaching session. You're going to click that. And then you can get to this page, and then what you can do is scroll down, and then where it says weekly option plays, you just pay there, and it's gonna be a PayPal thing on there, and you just pay your $250. So yeah, guys, as you can see, I've already paid for the weekly plays, $250. This is to show you guys that I'm not lying, that I paid for something. So I went ahead and did this, and then I'll get it's 2 option plays for, I guess, next week. I'll find out here in a minute because I just did this recently. So I'll find out what they are, and then we'll put them into play, and then we'll see what happens to see how effective they are. But again, I'm always willing to pay for knowledge if it makes me some extra money. You know what I'm saying? So really curious of how this works, and if it does work, great. Then what I plan to do probably in a few months or so is that he has this group options coaching. I might do that. That's $250 just to learn how to actually figure out how he's picking out these option plays. Yes, again, it's $250 weekly group. I think it's like 10 people get on a Zoom call. Oh yeah, 10 people get on a Zoom call, and it's like a group thing, and he just kind of like teaches everybody like how he goes about picking out his option plays. So all right guys, now it's time for the giveaway, and I'll be giving away $100 to one lucky person to either buy more stock with, or just to put food on the table. If you got an extra bill that you didn't know that popped up, hopefully this helps you guys. Just want to give back to you as much as I possibly can, and make this also an enjoyable experience going through this whole entire journey. And I'll be doing this randomly, guys, for like at least 5 times. I don't know when. I'm not going to even put a giveaway alert on the descriptions. You just got to find out and tune in. I really do hope this helps you guys out one way or another. And what'll happen is, you have to be subscribed to the channel. You have to give your boy the thumbs up, and then have a PayPal account too, because I'm gonna like PayPal you the money, and then answer the question. That's really all you have to do. So subscribe, like, PayPal, and answer the question that I'm about to give right now. So the question is, what is dry powder? Real simple, easy question. No need to overthink it, but the first person to put the answer to this question down in the comment section gets the money, but you have to put it in the format of hashtag dry powder and then underscore, and then answer the question. So, and then I'll reach out to you. So be on the lookout for the email or the notification through your email from YouTube, and I'll send you the PayPal money. So yeah, $100. Hope this really helps you guys out. I really do. And I hope you have an amazing Saturday. Give your boy the thumbs up. Make sure you comment, subscribe, and I will see you next Saturday. Good luck, guys. Peace.